Welcome back, guys, to another video. In this video, I'm going to be giving you some free source on how to get a VPS or a virtual private server for free, specifically to run Tweetriser, but you can use it for anything you want, and it's just going to make your life a lot easier. So first of all, if you're unfamiliar, what is a VPS? So VPS is literally just a computer that runs in the cloud, and you can just log into a Windows PC without actually owning or using one physically. So it just runs like as an app, basically. And why would you want to use a VPS for Tweetriser? So you can literally log in from any computer, even your Mac. So you can see I'm using a Mac here. No need for a Windows laptop. You can customize the performance. So you can literally choose the specs that make it faster. And it runs separately, obviously without the need for it to be physically open and running and in your presence 24/7. Because obviously we want to run Tweetriser around the clock. So we don't want to have to keep a computer running in the background in an office or taking a laptop with us anywhere, right? So you can log in from anywhere. Like I said, you don't need to carry the device with you. And it's a dedicated system, so it's not going to use any resources from your main computer when you're trying to work. So let's say you were running 5-10 profiles on Tweetriser. That's going to use a considerable amount of memory and processing power, and you don't want to use that on your main PC because it's going to just fucking slow it down. It just gets annoying. So you can keep it separate and literally just use it to run Tweetriser and only Tweetriser all on one computer at all times. You get the best performance. It keeps it separate and it just keeps it like manageable. So you can go there, you know that computer is just used specifically for Tweetriser, and you can keep all of your Twitter content on that computer. It just keeps it nice and separate. So I 100% recommend it. You can, obviously, if you have a separate Windows computer, by all means, go ahead and do that. But I do recommend using a VPS, especially if you have a Mac, because it just runs way better on Windows. And again, I don't recommend you to run this on your personal computer. Best thing to do is click this link here. I'll put it in the description. It uses Amazon's AWS, and it's the free tier. So we're going to go click this, and I'm literally going to sign up now with you guys. So you can just copy exactly what I do. So you scroll down, 3 types of offers. You want to go for this one, always free. And then you want to filter by product category. You want to click compute, and it's going to give you this option here, which is the Amazon EC2, and you're going to get 12 months for free, right? So 750 hours, that is literally like 31.5 days per month. So it's completely free for a year. And then if you need to get another one in a year, just make another account. So click this and then get started. And then it's going to ask you to sign in, but you want to come down here and press create new AWS account. And it's going to take you to sign up. So we're going to use an email. And then once you're verified, you're going to see something like this. You may need to click around a few things, but you just press complete your AWS registration. And then you want to go ahead and put a card in. Don't worry, it won't charge you. And I'm going to show you how to set up like a budget cap as well of like $1. So even if they do try and charge you, then it won't let them. So yeah, it might hold like $1, but just, yeah, put a card in, you'll be fine. And when that's done, then you want to confirm your identity. Ask you to confirm your identity, and it's going to ask you to put your phone number in. So just put your number, and it's going to send you a text. And just put the confirmation code in. And then boom. So this one here, you can just go with basic support for free. Like you don't need any of this stuff, it's fine. And then complete sign up. Perfect. So that is done, and they're going to activate it. You'll get an email when it's done. So you can just go to the management console. Perfect. And it's going to give you like these introduction notices, but you can just skip through them. So what you want to do is go here and type in budget and go down to this. And you want to create a budget and just use a template and select this one, 0 spend budget. So like even if it goes over 1 cent, then you're going to get notified. And just put an email that you want to be notified at. So then it's going to just let you know. So there's basically just like, it stops you clicking the wrong option. Like even if you do, they're going to notify you. if you go over that spend limit, and it just, yeah, keeps things nice. You don't want to be wasting money. So do that, and then it's done. Perfect. So now you want to click up here and type in EC2 and click here and go to dashboard. And then it's going to take you to this, and you literally just want to press launch instance. And then it's going to let you give it a name and all this stuff. So you can see here in your first year, you get 750 hours, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, it's completely free for the year. So you want to put the name, we'll just call it TweetRiser, and then you want to select Windows, click this, and it will give you a default one. So just go with this, whatever it gives you, Windows Server 2022, and scroll down. Let's see what we get. So you just want to keep it on the default one. That should be okay. Obviously, if you do need to upgrade it, like in terms of the memory, then you can go ahead and do that. But guys, I'm just giving you this as a free option, right? Like if you do need to upgrade it and pay a little bit more to get more memory, obviously go ahead and do that. Like I don't know how much this is going to cost. It says here. So Windows, it's cheap as fuck, right? It's like what, 10p per hour. So what's that? 114 times 24, $3 a day, right? So if you do need to upgrade it, just do that. Don't be a pussy. Just upgrade it if you need to. But this is literally just to get you started, the free plan. Anyway, cool. We'll go with that. And then this here, I'm literally doing this like along with you guys, so you can just copy. So that's not recommended. Key pair name, I guess create new key pair. Right, I'm going to skip this because obviously I don't need you seeing my fucking private key, but just give it a name. Just call it Jack. Put your name in there. Press create key pair. Okay, it's downloaded it. That's fine. That's cool. So just, yeah, keep that. Cool. And this, let's see, RDP traffic. Yeah, you want to keep that to anywhere. So that means you can connect from anywhere, not just on your local IP. That's very important. Keep that as anywhere. Right now, literally just go launch instance, and that's going to load this up. Okay. And then you can just select it, go to actions, and then connect, and press this quick setup button. And then you'll be taken here, and you can just use, it will probably give you a default, so don't worry, just press get started. Keep these as default, and it's green 2 out of 2 or whatever it gives you. Go actions, connect, and then click RDP client, and then connect using RDP, and then download the desktop file. I'm going to download tweetriser.rdp, and you want to have an application that allows you to connect to it. So I recommend Microsoft Remote Desktop. So you can literally just go to the App Store and then just type in Microsoft Remote Desktop. Like there's probably a one built into Amazon that allows you to log in on the web, but this one's just better. So download and install this. You might need to log in. I can't remember, but it's very simple. And then it's going to allow you to open the .rdp file. So just double click. Then it's going to ask you for the login info. So we're going to go back here. So you just want to press this get password button. I'm going to upload that private key file that you had before. So this, and then there's going to be a button. I've skipped it because it had my private key. It says decrypt password, and then it's going to give you the password. So you can just copy that, go back to the Microsoft Remote Desktop, paste the password in, press continue, and press continue, and this will boot up the computer. And boom, there you go. Administrator straight into a brand new Windows computer. So there we go, guys. That is how you get a free VPS. Like I say, this is the free version. So don't expect this to be like crazy good performance. Just, yeah, allow that one. So yeah, don't expect it to be anything fucking insane. Yeah, it's literally just a free one. If you need to upgrade it, I showed you how to do that. You can make a new one, give it 8 gigs of RAM, whatever you need. It's like I say, $2.7 a day. It's fucking nothing. Basically free anyway. Because yeah, you are limited by disk space, but it does allow you to get up and running. And then what you can do is you can go watch my other video, how to set up Tweetriser, and then you can just follow that instruction guide. So you literally just go to tweetriser.com and watch the previous video that I made on how to install it, and that's going to walk you through it. So you just go downloads or get started free, click any button, it's going to take you to this page. It's going to load up the form, and you just put your information. You'll get an email. Just log into your email on the VPS, and I will send you all the information via email, and Telegram will be in contact soon. If you need help, just reach out to Tweetriser support on Telegram, but go ahead and watch that other video. I'll link it in the description. It's going to make it a lot easier to understand. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's how you get a free VPS, and you can see how simple it is. I can literally just swipe back to my Mac and then swipe back to this one. Yeah, it's very simple. So I hope you got value out of this video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe. I'll be dropping more stuff like this very soon, along with more Twitter-specific funnel videos and anything to do with OFM. So thank you guys for watching. And if you don't have Tweetriser yet, you can get a 5 free-day trial. Go to the website, claim your trial. I will be in contact as soon as you subscribe, or one of the support staff will, and we'll get you up and running ASAP. And also, if you need deepfake creatives for your creators, you can go to onlyswap.app. I thought I'd just plug this as well. It's also my tool. Works very well. You'll go viral instantly. Thank you guys for watching. We'll speak soon. Guys, I'm just watching this back now. I just want to give you a quick comment / bit of advice. So obviously this is for the free plan. Like I made that clear in the video, but I just want to make it 100% clear. This is the free plan. You get 1 GB of RAM and like 30 gigs of storage. So yes, this will run it for like 1 or 2 Twitter profiles. But guys, just to make it very, very fucking clear, if you want to run more profiles, just get the 8 GB or 16 GB of RAM version, like where I show you in the video where I select it, and it's like $3 a day or something, $2.7 a day. Just go for that one if you're going to be running more. Like I'm going to say that now, so you don't get like caught out and it ends up being too slow. If you're planning to run more profiles, get the higher version and just pay a little bit more. Trust me, it will make your life easier. This video is just to show you how to set this up for free and how to get the paid ones as well if you need to. So if you're running more profiles, pay a bit more and get the 8 GB or 16 GB of RAM. It'll work way better. Thank you guys.